So what's going on, guys? Back with another video. As you guys may know, I got the check engine light the other day. It is not gonna show up when I turn it on because I erased it with this, but even though I erased it, the code is still in the car. So it hasn't turned on, but I also haven't driven it for long enough for it to give it a chance to come back on. So I'm gonna do a pretty long drive today. Should be over 50 miles. I think that's the cutoff. It needs to be over 50 miles, and then it'll come back. I'll show you guys the code that we get from here, and then if it comes back on, I'll give you guys an update. Hopefully it doesn't come back on, but give me a second and I'm gonna hook it up. All right, so a couple seconds later, we got it hooked on. Boom. So we get, let me see if you guys can, if it'll zoom. Let me see. Anyway, the code is 2098. It's a permanent code. It says post catalytic fuel trim system tooling bank 1 or bank 2, sorry. So basically, what I believe permanent means that it's gonna stay on until the car thinks that the problem is no longer there. So that's why we need to drive more than 50 miles for it to basically erase itself. So basically that's why I'm gonna do a quick drive. Well, not quick, but it's like an hour drive, 2, and then back, and hopefully it doesn't come back. If it comes on, I guess I'll let you guys know. But for now, this is what we gotta do. The car feels fine. I think it was popping a lot, backfiring when the check engine light was on, and I did feel like I was using a lot of gas. But other than that, the car feels fine. So now when I erased it, the car feels fine, feels normal. But obviously we still have this issue, and I'm pretty sure this issue is because of the headers. But I didn't have any issues for however many miles since I had it, just till recently. So well, we can try to race it. So still there. So doesn't matter if we try to race it, nothing. But anyway, I'm gonna go take this car to a car wash because it's absolutely disgusting and it's super hot. And we'll come back. I'll come back and then pick it up. It smells like I have hatless headers. Oops, scared the baby. This is normal mode. Absolutely insane how loud this thing is. I think we'll get the car wash first just because doesn't look like there's nobody there. And then after, we'll pump the gas. All right, I just made it to the car wash. This thing always scares me because I feel like even though this one is the better one, I feel like it's more narrow. So I feel like sometimes I get way too close to this side. I don't know, I'm just being paranoid. Anyway, don't forget to put your car on the damn park. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be the objective of today's video. We're gonna see, hopefully the check engine light doesn't come back, but yeah, pretty much it. Get a quick car wash. I'll update you guys when I get there. Yeah, I think I pumped, I don't fucking know, 40 something, 243 miles. So anyway, update on future mods. I have a couple things. I got more carbon fiber for the interior, just about, well, the whole interior. I got a video coming out for that. I've also buying side markers, blacked out side markers. Still waiting on my garage to open up a little bit so I can wrap the roof. It's because we got so much shit in there, and I didn't record it, but I got performance pack wheels, S650 performance pack wheels, replicas, for $150, steel. But the only thing is that the guy told me they were 9.5. They're only 8.5. So I'm not gonna put those on my car, but they do fit my girlfriend's fiance's Accord, so there's a chance we're gonna put them on that car. It'll be the first Honda Accord 2-liter turbo with Mustang performance pack replicas. I think, maybe not, I don't know. She liked them, and I only got it for $150, so we'll just slap it on her car. So that's what's coming up. But anyway, I'm gonna cut it right here because literally I'm just going all straight. If I get the check engine light, I'll pick it back up. But so far, so good. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, what's going on, guys? I have an update. After a whole bunch of driving and at least 50 miles later, I decided to check because the check engine didn't turn on. So I decided to check the scanner, and now it says pending. It no longer says permanent. So if you're gonna read what it says, I'll read it to you because apparently this can't focus. Post catalyst fuel trim system tooling bank 2, and then it just says the DTC severity, repair immediately, drive, whatever. So we're gonna try to delete it because it says pending now. It doesn't say permanent. So see if it actually deletes or if it still shows up. Okay, so it actually deleted this time. So I want to say everything is good now, but obviously only time will tell. But anyway, I'll finish up the video, the little drive-by or a little POV drive. But yeah, anyway, if you get this code, just drive it around and it might turn off. Alright, what's going on, guys? So the last time, on the last clip, we erased the check engine light, or the code for it. So now hopefully that fixes the problem. I do think it might come back. It might do the same thing every so often, and I think that's just what we're gonna have to do and deal with because there is no tuning available for these cars yet. So we're just gonna have to deal with it until there's a permanent fix for it. So leaving my fiance's house right now. We'll do a quick little POV drive until we get to the highway, some city driving. I guess we can do it on sport mode with track exhaust. It's starting to get pretty hot over here in Washington, 76 degrees. So hopefully we don't set the alarms off. Hopefully you guys don't catch the sound of the wind or catch me breathing hella hard. I got this new mic, hopefully it's doing its job. But anyway, downshifts are super loud. So an update on the car wash that I got yesterday. After further inspection, my car still looks dirty as shit. So next time I'm just gonna have to stop being lazy and wash it myself. Like I said, I'm gonna get pretty much the whole interior carbon fiber. We are gonna do a little, I guess, like a comparison between another brand and the brand that I went with. So hopefully you guys are able to save you guys some money doing what I did, if that is the type of thing that you want. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk too much about it. You're gonna have to wait. Things are gonna come to like freaking. Then the stuff isn't gonna come in until like June something, so mid-June probably. So that is something to keep in mind. You go with this route, you will have to wait. Let me know if you guys like this this POV a little bit more than the other one. This is I have things strapped around my neck, and the other one I have the strap around my my forehead. So let me know which one you guys think looks better, and I'll try to do that one only. I know I got to do one mostly for TikTok, and if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me. I pretty much post everything that I post on here. Well, obviously more TikTok related things. That'll be somewhere here. I just passed by a lady, old lady driving a Mustang. I think I might have scared her. Alright, pretty much I'm just end it right here. I know I haven't been speaking a lot. I'm trying to give you guys just a quick POV, see how it sounds. Tell me what you guys think, what I should upload next. I do have some installs coming up, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that'll be the end of the video. I said pretty much success. We got no check engine light. I might double check when I go home, just make sure it's not there. But if it doesn't show up on the dash, I don't think it's gonna be there. So end it right there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.